In this video, we will show you how to copy formatting in Excel. Let's start with the first example. To copy the font in cell A3, select the cell. Click the Format Paint button. Then, click the cell you want to format the same way. Now, if you want to select a range of cells, for example, select cell A6. Click the Format Paint button and select and drag to select the range of cells you want to format the same way. To adjust the column width, double-click in between the columns once you see the double-headed arrow. Let's say you want to copy the formatting in cell A9 to multiple cells that are far apart. Select cell A9. Double-click the Format Paint button. Then select the cells you want to format the same way. Now let's copy the yellow fill in cell B9. And once again, adjust the widths. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for upcoming videos for quick and easy demonstrations.